AAA State of Play, this is Faith. I actually lived across the street from a park growing up, so a lot of my memories as a child and as a teenager even were spent on that playground, and it's really nice to be able to be a part in some small way of, you know, kids that are growing up now and being a part of the memories that they're making. When people contact us, they've maybe been you know, tasked with purchasing equipment or planning a playground, and maybe they really don't have any experience with it. If you don't know the answer to the question, you could find someone here that does, and everybody's always just happy to help you. We sell a lot of rubber mulch, and because we sell a lot of rubber mulch, we get a lot of questions about it. And one of the questions we get the most is, you know, how much do I need for this project that I'm working on? And we're happy to help you figure that out. We have a mulch calculator that will help you figure out how much mulch you would need.
Is that a family member over there?
This?
Yes.
No, that's Jason Momoa, Aquaman.
And you've got him there because?
Well, if you're having a really bad day, you just kind of look at that face. It just like cheers you up. Let's see. I have crackers, Reese cups, some push pins, a couple of ketchup packets, and some rubber mulch. And that's about it.